Mercedes A-Class 2000 model. Maybe 2003. 1.7 diesel. It was gear shift fault. It's coming on screen. Fault gear shifter, and I have took it out. Took it in pieces. Soldered some components inside, but for took it out it was little mission. Here is 3 bolts who is holding armrest, those ones, and from all around. After I took it out, I took out one plastic, and here I found 2 screws, one and another. And the most difficult was to take out the handbrake. Here in the handbrake where it sits, it's like this pin in here, in this hole. So from both sides it's take out like this cup. So I didn't know that, so I use this like this needle, put it in between, and it slide it out. Oh, after I catched how to take it out. After one more on the handbrake, it's sitting like this, but it's cutted, so you must just little splitting down, and after you can take it out, and you can remove this center console. Center have just 2 bolts here, and I think nothing more. Yes. And it's holding this ventilation holes. You take it out with screwdriver, and that's it. So like that you can take out gear shifter and center console. Mercedes A170 or chassis 168, old one. See you next time.